Hey, how's it going everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2021 GLA 250 4MATIC. This one's polar white. Underneath there's a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 221 horsepower and 258 pounds of torque. For wheels we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Front and rear LED daytime running lights. Macchiato beige MB-Tex interior. Come around back. GLA 250 4MATIC badging. Power liftgate. A set of all-season and regular floor mats. Fold-down rear seats. Cargo cover. This one does come up with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist. Ambient lighting. Natural grain brown walnut wood trim. Power windows. Heated steering wheel. Touchpad steering wheel controls. This one also does come with smartphone integration, which is going to give you Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. Paddle shifters for extra performance. Also included in the Premium 1 package is two 10.25 high resolution displays, one for the instrument cluster and one for the media display. A push start ignition, touchscreen media display, rear view backup camera. This one also does come with MBUX, which stands for Mercedes-Benz user experience. You can give it simple voice commands by saying, "Hey, my Mercedes." Turn ambient light to green.
Okay, I'm changing the color.
And as simple as that, you're able to give it voice commands. Dual climate controls. USB ports, cup holders, our touchpad for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLA 250 has 6,153 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLA 250 4MATIC, check out feldmanimports.com.